Alright, so more or less in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take out the radiator and change it for a 2004 Honda Accord. So these are 02 to 05, I think, same models. I changed the bumper stuff, but I didn't show you guys that. Anyways, so the first thing you got to do is take out all these little clips. All these little clips right here. Because you want to take out these brackets. You want to take out these brackets right here on both sides, and then the radiator comes up. I'll show you guys that right now. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to this damn channel. Another thing you must do is you must unclip the fan. Unclip the fan here and unclip the fan there. As you can see, I sprayed some W40. Also right here, I don't know if I gotta take out the fans and put in the new radiator. I don't know if the new radiator comes with fans or not. Either way, I sprayed it. It's gonna be these screws right here and the bottom as well. We'll get to that. change the radiator. Now, what I like to do is I like to make sure I fill it up when the car's off. Then I like to turn the car on before I put the top on, just to wait for the car to warm up a little bit so the valves will open and let radiator fluid in. When that happens, the radiator level is gonna go down. You wanna fill it up again and then put the top on. Don't let the car get super hot, because then it'll start steaming. You just turn the car on and just wait a little bit, a few minutes, and then you'll see the levels go down. Fill it up, put the top on. Now, before you turn the car on, as you saw, I like to check the oil. Always check the oil in the car, always check the brake fluids and everything before you turn the cars on. If you can. If you can do it once a week, twice a week, once a month, whatever. But if you do something like this, like change the radiator or change a part in your car, make sure you check your levels before anything else. Right now, this car needs oil, so I'm gonna go get oil, put the oil on it, and the car should be good to go.